Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Blend and Bling by Tejaswini Rajput. So today we are going to see how to cut aloe vera in a proper way. So first of all we are going to cut the sides of aloe vera, which is also known as cuticles. It looks quite a big, so let's cut it from middle. As you know, aloe vera gel contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterials. And after the sides, now we are going to cut the outer leaf. Cut it in a really clean way, carefully. A natural cure you can always depend on. And now, create some lines horizontally and vertically to form such tiny cubes of our aloe latex. As you know, aloe vera is really good to cure acne and sunburn, so it should have a permanent place at your home. Massage those little cubes on your face slowly. And now let it dry for 5 minutes and wash it. Clean with a towel gently. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay gorgeous.